Hello guys, welcome to day 10. Today we are almost at day 10, and today I'm going to discuss about how to take screenshot. So it is a very basic question asked by the interviewers, and let's code it out. So it is one of the new features that is given in the Selenium, that is given in the Selenium 4.0. So before that, we take the screenshot of the whole page, but we'll discuss how to take the screenshot of a particular element over here. So that is basically our point of discussion today. So let me go through the problem statement first. So uh, I am entering one text into this text box. So sometimes it is required that if I am entering this text and whether I have entered the right text or not, to verify that, we often take screenshot. That is, the screenshot is required to cross verify if you have entered the same text or not. So in the Selenium 4.0, after the Selenium 4.0 is released, that particular feature is implemented, and there is a particular method to take the screenshot of a particular element, particular web element basically. So I will code it through, and let's see uh, how to do it, and let's get started. uh, Let me minimize it, and let me create a new class. And so I've already created a date in package, so I will create a class that is screenshot, and it is also called as partial screenshot because we are not taking the full screenshot of that particular page. We are taking only one specific screenshot of that particular web element. So it is said that it is we are taking partial screenshot. But yeah, that is basically the concept how to take it. So let me just copy, yeah, from the frame side. Let me just copy this much of a code. That is our base code. So I will take this and paste it. So our problem statement is we have to take this XPath of this particular box, and let me just inspect. And we have to put Angan over here, and with send keys, we have to put the text Angan over here, and after that we'll take the screenshot. So the ID is mentioned over here, so it is straightforward. So let me take that particular web element, driver dot find element by dot ID. So that is pretty straightforward for you guys. Those who are following me, they must know this is very straightforward. And let me store it in a web element for to reuse it basically. So I will name it as ELE, and I will import the web element. And and now we have to send keys over here. So send keys, and we will send Angan as send keys. And now we have to take the screenshot. So the method we use to take the screenshot is get screenshot as, and you can see uh, the pop-up is appearing as output type. So we have to use that output type. So output type dot. So basically, we will store it in a file output type. So I will name it as output type as file, and we'll store it inside the file object. Let me take that object and import this particular file object from java.io file class. Sorry, and now we'll use a file utils to, copy the file. So basically what we are doing over in this step is we are creating the file object. So we need a physical form of this. As it is an object, we need to store it inside a physical place so that we can cross verify. So for that, file utils is used. File utils dot copy file. So file utils dot, I can show you, copy file. You can, here you can see there is a copy file method, and we have to give the source file name and the destination file name over here. So I'm taking that. So our source file is the file object that we have created, and for the destination, we have to create a new file, and suppose I will name it as let's say pic.png. So it will store it as png basically. So I will surround it with I will add the throw declaration, and let me just run it, and so that we can check if it is taking the screenshot or not. Yeah, so the window is launched, and so it is entering the text. As you can see, Angan is entered over here, and it is ran successfully. So you have to go to the project level, and you have to just refresh it. Where is the refresh? It is the refresh. So you can see pic.png is here. Right click on this, go to properties, and in the location, go to that particular location. And if we click on this, double click on this. So yeah, so you can see exactly the web element screenshot is captured over here. Angan is over also written. So our test case is passed. So it is successfully taking the screenshot. So this is the way how you take the screenshot of a particular web element. And yeah, so that's it for today. Hope you like the session. Do like, share, and subscribe. And do also join our daily regular classes based on Java. And so stay tuned for our next video. Till then, take care, guys. See you in the next lecture.